Hi, I'm Linda. If you're going to make any bags, etc., then you'll definitely need to master the sewing in of the zips. In this video, I'll cover the basics on how to sew in a zip properly. And anyway, let's get started. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. So now I'm at the machine. I'll put my specs on. I'm going to actually change the zipper foot, change the ordinary foot into the zipper foot. Take that off, pop that back in there, and that means I get closer to the zip with the little insertion missing. So we've gone from a double foot to the single foot. So here's our zip, and what we're going to be doing is the front side of the zip we're going to turn over, and we're turning it over and then we're laying it onto our fabric. Right, I'm going to put my zip there, as you can see, and that's going to run all the way on that flat edge there with the edge of the zip and the edge of the bag. And then what you're doing, as the needle comes up and down, it's running along this zipper edge here, which is slightly raised, so that's why this foot actually takes that level. As you can see, I can push, but I've got to leave a bit of a tension there, and then it will run along here. So, and then drop your foot down, get the zipper and just push the zipper up a little way away from the foot here, so that gets it out of the way, and then you're able to go all the way down that edge to the very end of the zipper. When you get to the end, a little backward stitch and then come off. So we're going to repeat what we did on this one. So we're turning the fabric over with the facings of the right pattern upright. We're going to put that back into that place there and machine along here like we did on this side. So as long as you've got your two ends level here along this edge, we're going to lift that foot up, put it down and backwards and forwards, and we're going to continue along this edge. And again, as we did before, we've got the zipper here, so we need to transfer the zipper all the way past the foot. So head out, that's a clearer vision for you. So there's the zipper out the way. We've still got the bit that we need here, and we're going to just come along that edge there, backwards and forwards and off. So now pull the zipper forward, and we now have a bag attached and we have the zipper in place. Right, so now we've got that fabric like that, you can see where the zip is, but you can see what's happening here. So what we're going to do is change the zipper foot back to the flat foot, and what we'll be doing is machining along this edge here, so we end up with a zip that's flattened down by two seams either side, and you'll see why in a minute. So I'm going to change the foot over. So this is the foot that's going back on, which is the double foot. Put that back in there. Screwdriver, tighten it really tight. Put that out the way. Get the cottons out the way, and then we're going to come over to here, and on that edge, because it's a double foot, we're going to literally machine all the way to the very edge of the zipper foot, pushing and pulling. And you'll see why when I turn it over. It's better to work this side because that is a dead measurement from the sewing machine line to the end of the zipper foot. If I did it on the other side, there's nothing to be guided to, and you'll get it unlevel. I'll show you as soon as I've turned this over, before we go to the other side. So that's now what we've got here. We've got a nice line here which makes that nice and flat. This side we haven't done yet, so that's what we want to achieve, is that nice flat area here. So we'll turn that over this way. We'll then do the zipper up, which is there. So do it up as near as damn it to just get that flat there. Put that back on, and then we're going to machine. The zipper foot isn't in the way, you know, the little zip part, so the foot will go past that. So pull and push. and flatten as you go along. Pull, push, make sure that all stays down. And now you're going to see cutting it off on the edge, getting rid of the cotton. So now you can see that's lovely and flat. Spin it over and we've got that nice look. So it's all belted down and completely flat here to there. So simple process. There's two little seams either side which you don't see, but it supports the zip, so you can immediately see your bag is starting to take shape because the zip's behaving how it should do. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now you know how to sew in a zip, why not make a bag? Watch this video and I'll show you how. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.